another diagnostic video here. I have a 2011 Volkswagen CC, and the car took it to the customer took the car to dealership, and they called him 1600 to replace the alternator. And the customer called me and requested the alternator replacement, and we just as you see, this alternator is brand new. We put it on, and we charged like I think $500 to replace the alternator at this car. It's a 2011 Volkswagen CC. And after that, actually my mechanic did, and after that we installed the alternator. It didn't work, same problem. And we did the diagnostic, and we find out just one of the fuse was blown. These are the fuse, you see the 40, 60, 80, 60, 80 and 150. That's this fuse is responsible for the alternator. This one was blown, and we got the new one. This is a new one. The old one is inside the car. This is the old one. It's blown completely, and that was a misdiagnostic by dealership. It cost like almost $700 for a customer. That actually, it could be like $150 diagnostic and part and labor, everything. But yeah, that's really basically if you have a Volkswagen like this, before replacing the alternator, check your fuses. If you know how to check that. If you don't know, take it to a mechanic and ask them to do it. This is Volkswagen CC, but you may have different Volkswagen, but most of the Volkswagen, they have the same fuses for alternator, and just be aware of that. And that's it. Have a good day.